afternoon by having a quick look at the ice skating rink located at Centenary Square. We had a look getting darker, and trust me, it hit different. We then proceeded to walk down Centenary Way, looking at all the Christmas lights and decorations, leading us to Chamberlain Square, which gave us loads of good photo ops with giant Christmas baubles that we unfortunately didn't take advantage of. We ventured onwards towards Victoria Square. This is where we found a few stalls selling sweet treats such as crepes and churros, and other alcohol stores selling things like mulled wine and lager. Victoria Square is also home to their Christmas tree, which looked absolutely magnificent. Then, as we always do, going to Christmas markets, proceed to look around at what they offered. As you can see, we strolled upon stalls selling things like chocolate-covered marshmallows and fruit, donuts, which of course we purchased some, bath bombs, knitted gloves and scarves, and Christmas decorations. All these stalls were located while walking down New Street. Due to the cold and rainy weather, we of course stopped off at the cabin to grab some mulled wine. We got to see the double-decker Yankee Candle bus, which was located at St. Martin's Gate, which is at the end of New Street. While walking back on the opposite side of the New Street stalls, we decided to have a nice walk up Temple Street, leading us towards Birmingham Cathedral, which housed a few more stalls. These stalls were selling a few things such as personalised gifts and rum, but the main thing they were serving was food. Sweet and savoury goods were on offer. For example, they had pizza and Chinese. They even offered an open fire for you to toast your marshmallows. For food, we decided to grab a hot dog where you could help yourself to your own toppings such as mustard, ketchup, cheese, onions and much more. We then proceeded to walk back to Victoria Square to the pretzel stand, where of course we purchased a cinnamon pretzel. Before leaving, we ventured back up to Centenary Square to see the ice rink and Ferris wheel all lit up, and oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. There were a few more stalls on offer on other streets, but by this time it was getting very crowded and cold, so we decided to call it a night. Birmingham was definitely one of the best Christmas markets I have been to this year, and we will definitely be going back next year.